All right, eighth grade, here is your grammar lesson for this week. It is a comma review. In this lesson, we'll be practicing the placement of commas. Remember that if you don't know the answer to a question, use your resources, aka your iPad. So, in this lesson, in the first part, it says rewrite these dates and addresses using a comma correctly. Hopefully you're watching this video so you will know a shortcut that I'm going to tell you guys. So looking at the first one, we're dealing with a date and it says April 15th, 1972. I am not going to make you rewrite the sentences. What I'm going to ask you to do is to pick a color and place the comma in color so that I can tell where you have placed it. So on the first one, April 15th, 1972, the comma that you need to place goes after the date, the 15. So you can do the next couple on your own. On number 4, it says Monday, January 31st. Notice I kind of set a pause in between Monday and January. That's where you will place your comma. When you get down to number 6, Anaheim, California. That's a city and a state. We separate a city from a state by placing a comma between them. Get Pause the video now and get problems 1 through 10 done. Now we are going on to using a comma correctly in letter parts. These are either salutations or greetings in a letter. So if you said, Dear Joe, you would put a pause after Joe, so you're going to add a comma. You have your friend, that's a salutation, so you're going to put a comma at the end. Okay, pause the video and finish 13, 14, and 15 on your own. The last part is add commas where they are needed in these sentences. When you have a list of things, you put commas to break them up. So for 16, we have all birds have feathers, wings, and beaks. Those are 3 separate things, so we want to put a comma. Now, I'm old school. You can either do it this way or you can leave it. You can put a comma between wings and, or you don't have to. So either way is correct. On problem number 18, a friendly, playful dog makes a good pet. Those are 2 adjectives that describe dog. You could say a friendly dog makes a good pet, or you could say a playful dog makes a good pet. Since those could be used independently, you offset them with a comma. If you needed both of them, then you would not break it up by a comma. So you're going to finish these on your own. And then when you are finished, don't forget to submit to me through Canvas. Have fun and good luck.